Alright, so what we're going to be doing here is replacing one of the LEDs here on the waterfall. And so you want to take off the panel that's located directly behind where the waterfall is in the spa. And you're going to find this waterfall fitting right here. And you can see there's 4 LEDs connected into it on this one. To replace these LEDs, you're going to want to just pull the boot off, the faulty one, the one that's causing the problem. And what you'll notice here is that these connections are simply just pinch this way, pinch here, and pull out. Okay, so you're going to want to remove the faulty one by simply pinching and disconnecting the strand. Okay, you take your new strand and you're going to simply reconnect it back into the same spot. So the strand here has just got one male and one female end on the LED. Attach the male to the female. It can only go in one way. So you just line the tab up until it clicks. On your next one, line that tab up until it clicks. Take your LED by the boot, slide it in over top, and you're done.